What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you all here. Today I'm going to be talking about all of the essential tech gear that I bring with me when I'm traveling. And I know a lot of people might not be traveling right now still, but I am. Next week I'm going to Vancouver City. By the time this video comes out, I'm probably already there, but you get what I mean. Now, everything that I mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so go ahead and support the channel and click one of the links if you find something interesting. Before I do get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and it helps my channel grow. I do a lot of tech videos on Apple products and whatnot, so if you're into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You're really gonna like it here. And if that's not enough, I'm also doing a HomePod mini giveaway to anybody that is subscribed and comments down below. That's all you gotta do. Let's get into the video. The first thing that I'll make sure to pack with me are my AirTags. I think that this would be essential for travel now, as I know a lot of you might have had to deal with lost luggage or lost items at the airport. It's a huge headache. The AirTags are small, light, and easy to slip into your bags. In the event that I lose my luggage, I can always use the Find My iPhone app to easily find them or get an idea of where they are. Next up is the phone car mount by SYNCWIRE. For anyone that is traveling by car, I suggest bringing one of these. It's a magnetic car mount, and I find that the magnetic component gives your phone a sturdy grip. It also has 360 rotation and is built of solid alloy to give you that premium feel. It has a magnetic backing that you can easily add to your phone, and it has additional plates if you want to add it to multiple devices. This is super essential for long road trips when you're trying to navigate in unfamiliar territory. Special shout out to SYNCWIRE for sending me one of these for my trip. For this trip, I'm going to do something I never thought I'd do, and that's to leave my MacBook Air at home and instead travel with the iPad Pro. The version I have is the 11-inch M1 iPad Pro, and it's small and ultra portable. So this means that I can pack it in my bag and carry it with me really easily. Also, it makes traveling through the airport or around the city a lot easier than having a MacBook. I will be using it on the trip for productivity things such as further planning out my day, editing photos, watching movies on the plane, and more. I will be doing a video in a couple of weeks talking about how my experience went using it as my only computer, so make sure to be subscribed. Next up is the AirPods Pro. I'm finally getting a chance to use my AirPods Pro on a plane. I'll be bringing the AirPods Pro with me for the roughly 4-hour flight from Toronto to Vancouver. Most trips in the past, I used to bring the Beats Studio 3s, but for this trip, I'll be bringing the AirPods Pro. With the active noise cancellation, it means I could totally zone out and relax on the plane without hearing babies crying and whatnot. I'll also be using the AirPods when I'm out cycling or traveling for the day. Now, moving on to cables, to stay juiced up, I'll be using this 6 feet USB-A to Lightning cable from SYNCWIRE. It's super durable and it features a nylon braided cord. Fun fact, SYNCWIRE says this cable is bulletproof, so there's that. Being 6 feet means I could plug it in and not have to worry about standing right next to the charging port at the hotel or the airport. It gives me a lot more room. Also, if you're in a pinch, you can use this to charge with a maximum 2.4 amps charging speed, which is 20% faster than normal iPhone cables. Speaking of normal iPhone cables, I've always been highly critical of Apple's cords, and I think that this cable is 10 times better. Next up is a USB-A Apple Watch cable. This cable is also braided and durable, but is shorter than the SYNCWIRE cable. The big reason I'm bringing this is because it doubles down as an Apple Watch charger. So that means I can use this to keep my Apple Watch charged up all the time on my trip. And last, I'm going to be bringing some random USB-C cables to charge my cameras, connect peripherals to my iPad Pro, and anything else I might need. Other random things that I'm going to be bringing on this trip are the Samsung T7 for backing up data and for mobile editing. I'm also going to be bringing this water bottle from Nike for when I'm cycling or traveling around the city because it's really important to stay hydrated. I'm also bringing Jordan 7s just because. And I'm also bringing the Apple Watch Series 3 for quick notifications on the go, navigation and whatnot, and just being connected while at the airport. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Everything I bring with me. One thing that I don't want to forget is up there, over there, You probably can't see it, but that is a Canon film camera. Over the last year, I've gotten into film photography, so I figured I'm gonna bring this with me to document my travels while I'm in Vancouver. So what are some of the things that you make sure to bring with you when you're on the go? Or what did you think of the video? Drop it down below in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to win that HomePod Mini, which will be announced at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for coming here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, and it's coming soon. Peace.